Hey guys, and welcome back to my Plan of Perfection. This is Nikita, and today I'm going to be planning the last week of November in my Hobonichi weeks, and I've got some goodies. So I've got this really old sampler and it's absolutely adorable. It's wintry and Christmassy, and it's from Chloe Louise Designs Co, and I'm sure she's got a sewing business now. But yeah, I saw that and I was like, that's perfect. I want to use that because it's fun, isn't it, to use these samplers up that you can. I've pulled some washi that I think matches. Of course, I need my checklists, and these are from Mrs. Moodle, who does stock some Once More with Love. And then I've just got some day covers from Josephine Bow, some bits and bobs. I think these are Papershire, and I want to say these are Planner Face. What else have I got? Oh, and just some medication trackers from Happy Bees. So it's definitely a mix and match of everything. But I think it's going to be okay. And I'm second, guys, if you can hear dogs, I'm very sorry. I've basically got 2 puppies. But yeah, I think it brings in some of the grey, but I'm now second guessing it. Should I double check? I don't think I have. Those are silver too, aren't they? I might have. Do you know what? Let's stick with the washi I've pulled, because again, second guessing everything. I could use the pink, but I really didn't want to. Do you know what? Let's stick with what I've chose. Let's just do it. I'm being silly, ain't I? All right. Let's find my page. So I've got something private on one of my pages that I shouldn't share. Okay, this is where I'm going to have problems, because all my tabs, these tabs, they're brilliant, but for some reason I think they're just too rough for the Hobonichi, and they all ripped. So, and plus I'm not great with my planner. So I've got some happy birthday washi tape there, so we're going to have to figure that out at some point. But let's start with washi. Why not? But how is everyone? It's been a long time again, hasn't it? And I'm very sorry about that. I'm debating how I want to... Yeah, so I had a break, didn't I? And then I came back and I was like, I'm back. And then it was kind of like, I actually, no, I'm not. But, yeah, to be completely honest, I'm struggling with my mental health a bit. I think a lot of people do, don't they, this time of year. So I'm just going to take it as it comes. I'm not going to sit here and say, oh yeah, I'm definitely back like regularly, because I honestly don't know. But you know what, that's okay. I'll just upload as and when I can, and hopefully you guys will still be around when I come back. But there's just been, I feel like I come on and I'm like, there's been a lot going on, and it just sounds so dramatic. Let's see, let's try and catch you up. So actually yesterday, we had another baby niece born, little baby Evelyn. Paul's sister had a little girl. So, like, since July, we've had 2 nieces and a little nephew, which is crazy. But it's great. I can't wait. Spoil them all. Do you know what? Oh, that's really cute. But yeah, I'm going to go with the lighter grey, I think. So, yeah, we had another baby, and we've been helping out with childcare with Oliver, and I love him. Do you know what? I love all the kids, but having all, he's really grown up a lot the last 6 months, I'd say. Really? I'm talking to my dogs, guys. Yeah, he's really, and you know what? Oh, he's shouting back at me now. I'm very proud of him for that. Guys, we need to stop this. No. If they carry on, I think I might just put them out. Not out because it's snowed. I mean out the room. But yeah, so we've had Oliver a lot, and obviously the baby, and the dogs are a lot of work. How do I feel about the grey? I don't know. But it's there now, isn't it? Right, so tough luck. So where do I want to put this really adorable polar bear? I might use it to hide this here. I usually put the deco at the top, but it hides it, doesn't it, at least? Yeah, I like that. So let's do some checklists. I think there's some like blue ones, and then there's some like pinky ones. So let's go with the pinky ones first because we've got blue washi. But these little checklists, absolutely adorable. And I have missed, I've not even decorated this week. I'm just writing in as it is. But that's okay too. But yeah, we've had a lot of snow this week. And it's got me all in the wintry mood. So I thought, let's do a wintry spread. And I was looking through it, and I was really struggling, and I was thinking, well, what should I use? And then I saw this sampler and I was like, you will be perfect. But that's something I'm looking forward to with my daily planner next year, is I'm gonna get to use like all my samplers and stuff, because I only need to decorate for one day, don't I, which is going to be fun. Yeah, I like that. It's very cute. But yeah, one thing I'm noticing with the Hobonichi is, obviously because the paper's so thin, that I put washi down obviously in the same place, and my day covers and all the rest of it, and it's just, I don't know if you can kind of see the, I don't know, you just kind of see it won't press down there. It goes down a lot more, and it's just obviously the stickers and stuff. But I just, yeah, I'm not loving that. But obviously it's inevitable, and if it was that much of a problem, then I should stop putting washi there, but I don't, do I? So it is what it is, but that's one of the things that I'm not loving. So how do I want to do this? Let's do my meds. I don't know if I've got, I'm just thinking, should I do something? But it really does just need to be Cass, let your sister have a nap. They've had the food and stuff, and Ruby wants to nap, and that's why he's barking at her, because she doesn't want to play. Enough. Enough, baby. Enough. I'll turn back round now and he'll start again. It's just, it's who he is. Okay, so I want to kind of track, told you, Facebook posts and YouTube. So, enough. He's so cute, guys. Honestly, he's really cute, and he's getting to his adolescent stage where he's just a bit naughty. I'm not even naughty. He's just pushing boundaries, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. But of course, it's hard work trying to get him to do as he's told, and I've not been filming because I'm thinking people don't want to listen to my dog barking, but it's my life right now, and this is all about planning, isn't it? My life and all the rest of it. So yeah. Okay, I freaking love that little fox. Can we see her? She's beautiful. Oops. So I'm thinking, where should I put my deco? That little hat's so cute. I kind of want to put it on one of the checklists here. Okay, you need to look at that because I think it's adorable. Right. I need to use you because you're just so freaking cute. Let's kind of put you there. It's so tiny, this deco is. Oh, and the penguin's cute as well. Oh, I love everything, guys, on this. It's very, very cute. You know what, I'm kind of, habit trackers are getting a lot of attention today. I love that polar bear too. Kind of what I want to put in, just like going to sleep there. Oh, and look at this deer. Do you know what? Say what you want, but the kiss cut on these stickers, for how tiny they are, it's impressive. Especially I like make my own stickers and stuff, and sometimes, guys, there's been times where I've actually cried. So complete and utter respect, because I know how hard it is. I'm trying to make it look random, but it's definitely not random. I wanted to kind of, maybe, the thing is, I just don't want to cover the day covers. Let's do one there. Just maybe do like a little flower garden. I'm going to probably hate it, but so that is the sampler all used up, and I think the deco on that is absolutely adorable. So let's write in the days of the week. And I am going to use this, what is it, Energel cleaner, just because it writes a lot thinner, and that's what I want. Oh, he gave us 2 minutes, guys. Oh, I want to do a Hello December. Castiel. Let's get a little, I don't know if I'll have a Hobonichi box or Cass. I would like a pink one because it's all blue. Stop. Your sister wants to sleep. Let your sister sleep. He's like, but I don't want them, Mom. I've got one of them. Ooh, I like that. Hyper kite to the rescue. Or should I use that? Let's use this. Like I say, he's just getting to his adolescent stage and he's a naughty little boy. Right, so let's pick this up because I want to put it. Guys, if dogs barking irritates you, I'm so sorry. I am gonna write it in as well while I think about it. Hello, December. Guys, don't worry, I've put the box on December 1st now. And you know what? I think that has turned out very, very cute. So if you've made it till the end, guys, I truly appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and it'd be absolutely amazing if you decided to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.